Good afternoon. Frank here, Cochran Family Farm. It's March 1st. Quite a spring, winter, whatever it is we're having. Just wanted to talk a few minutes about raised beds and what we do with the hay. It seems to cause a lot of controversy. I've been here working in the raised beds today, and as you can see, we got some spinach growing that we planted last year all the way down, some arugula, some kale, some tatsoi, all in raised beds. In here is a bed that we built last October, and we lined the bottom with hay, 18 inches deep. I just started digging some of that up, and that's all that's left of it. Very little of it, actually. And lots of microbiology, lots of worms, lots of other beneficial bugs working away at it. A few cutworms, but I'm getting at it. Anyway, I just wanted to dig that up and show people that just 5 short months later, this is what we're with. So just imagine it had been summertime and we'd done this.